Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We got a short one-night trip to a farm, I think. I am not sure. The wife booked it. I just show up and start filming. Haven't done a travel vloggy style video in a while, so pretty excited. Let's start packing. Okay, I really like this collapsible water bottle. We got toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. I am doing the Thank You Farmer and Torridon, filming gear, long pants, long sleeve shirt, sun hat. Let's head out. We just made it. The wife really likes animals, so I can see why she booked this place. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there are a couple of cows over there. I'm gonna unpack and film some stuff and see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I just made some coffee. This is our first time staying in an RV. I've been inside of RVs, but never slept in one, and it's pretty nice. They have chickens here, and I see some eggs over there that they left us, so I'm gonna cook some breakfast and see you guys in a little bit. We just finished eating. The owners of this Airbnb also gave us some apples and oranges to try to feed the cows with. I'm gonna do that, film a little bit, start packing, and get ready to leave. We just got to our first stop, gonna pet some animals, get some ice cream. This place is called DeJong's Dairy. Looks pretty good. We are at our next destination. This is downtown Temecula. Really nice at the petting zoo and got to feed them some stuff. I don't know what we're gonna do here. I think we're just gonna walk around a little bit. We just got to Lake Elsinore, gonna walk around here a little bit. Downtown Temecula was pretty awesome. Lots of places to shop and eat. I'm not sure what we're doing next. We might be heading home. We were driving home and decided to check out some new construction model homes. I'm currently in the process of selling the house, and we're not in a hurry to move because our plan is to live with my parents a little bit. But when we have time, we like to go to new areas and see if we could find a place we want to settle down long term. So there's going to be some footage of that in this video. back to reality. It was really nice making the travel adventure style vlogs. Can't wait to see when we do the next one. But for now, I have to finish decluttering all my childhood toys and mementos, work on minimalism. But for now, video 379 done.